Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with ChatGPT for SEO outlines using prompts, complete guide step by step clearly. To register with ChatGPT for creating SEO outlines using prompts, first, navigate to the official OpenAI website. Look for the sign up button on the homepage. Click on it to begin the registration process. You will be prompted to enter your email address. Choose a strong password that meets the security requirements. Once you fill in your details, click on the Create Account button. Next, check your email for a verification link sent by OpenAI. Click on the verification link to confirm your email address. After verification, return to the ChatGPT website and log in using your credentials. Upon logging in, you may need to set up your profile and preferences. Next, familiarize yourself with the interface and features. To create SEO outlines, start by selecting the new chat option. In the chat interface, type your prompt detailing what you need for your SEO outline. Be specific about the topic and the key points you want to cover. Using clear and concise language helps ChatGPT understand your requirements better. Once you submit your prompt, give the model a moment to generate the response. Review the outline provided by ChatGPT for coherence and relevance. Make any necessary adjustments or ask follow-up questions to refine the output. You can repeat this process for different topics or aspects of SEO. Consider saving your well-structured outlines for future reference. With practice, you will become more adept at crafting effective prompts. This will enhance your overall experience and efficiency with ChatGPT. Keep experimenting with various topics and structures to optimize your SEO strategy. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.